I'm gonna sing It Will Rain by Bruno.
Woo!
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me, no matter how much my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifices that I'm making will keep you by my side from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby, and there'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I was doing the same thing. Saying there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, but little darling, watch me change their mind. Yeah, for you I'll try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that'll make it right.